guys, so we are back with our second episode, and in this episode we are going to show what happened.
When did you get your highlights done? We just met yesterday.
And there were no highlights in my hair.
Yeah,
So
exactly.
you're wondering when did I get them highlighted?
Yes, I'm just wondering.
Well, you know me, I'm allergic to chemicals, so
Yeah.
I cannot get highlights in my hair.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
But I found out a way to get highlights in my hair without using any chemicals.
Okay, and what's that? Anything strange?
Let me show you. And see, I've got no highlights in my hair now.
Where did it go?
So that's the magic.
Okay, what's the magic?
Okay, so the magic is that I've found a way to get highlights in our hair whenever we want,
Okay.
how much ever we want,
Okay.
in whichever color we want, and
Okay.
and we can remove it
Okay.
whenever we don't want.
Okay, tell me more about it, I mean.
Okay, so see, you know me, right? I love highlights
Yes.
and I'm allergic to chemicals.
Yes.
So I had to find a way
Yeah.
to get highlights without using all these chemicals, and you know how damaging these
Yeah, I
colors
completely
are, right?
understand.
So I found a product which could solve all my problems,
Okay.
and is this product right
Uh-huh.
here. These are clip-in hair extensions made of 100% natural human hair.
Okay.
Actually, hair extensions have been available for quite some time now, but people have been using them mainly to get either length in their hair or add volume to their hair.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I thought, why not use hair extensions to get highlights in my hair?
That's a great idea.
Yeah. So when people order it to get length in their hair or volume in their hair, they order it in the same color as their hair. But I ordered it in a color which is lighter than my hair color. So my hair color is black, natural
Okay.
hair color, and this one here is a dark brown color. You can order it in whichever color you want. If you want lighter blonde colored highlights, you can order it in that color. Okay, so when you order it, it comes as a set. Okay, you get multiple wefts. Each piece here is called a weft.
Okay.
These things here, these are clips. Okay, and these open very easily like this.
Okay.
And you can apply these hair extensions in your hair yourself. You will get about 4 wefts of 3 clips which you use on the crown part of your hair.
Okay.
And you'll also get multiple wefts with a single clip like this. And this you can use in the front wherever you want to add highlight.
Okay.
Okay, so now when you order, you have to keep in mind the length. So these are available in multiple lengths. So I've ordered a 14-inch set.
Okay.
So when you order it to add length to your hair, you order a piece which is longer than your hair. But when you order for highlights, remember that order it in a size which is shorter than your hair size, because otherwise you will see these things sticking out of your
that
hair
will look
and that
weird.
will not look
Yeah.
good. So order it slightly shorter than your hair. Otherwise, if you end up ordering wrong length, nothing wrong. You can just cut it. Just that you will end up paying more for the length, because the longer it gets, the pricier it is.
Yeah.
So I'll be showing you guys how to apply these hair to get that highlight effect. Okay, so first thing you want to do before you apply clip-in hair extensions is to comb your hair properly and untangle it. Just take in a portion of your hair from the top crown part of your hair, separate it and secure it with a clutch. So this is the part where we'll be applying the clipping in the hair extensions. We'll take this 3 clip hair extension. We'll just open all the clips like this, and then we will first take the middle clip, put it in and just press it, and then this clip here, and then this clip here. So now this part here is done, and now similarly you can take further portion of your hair further down below and do the same thing. Take a second 3 clip weft and place it here in exactly the same way, and then covering it with our natural hair to hide the clips. So now you can see highlights in my hair, the back. Okay, so now you want to apply extensions in the front, on the sides. So we'll just take a sectioning comb and like this, just separate a portion of your hair. And now we'll take a single clip weft, and now just in this hairline we are gonna clip it in and then just merge it with the rest of the hair. And similarly for this side, now you clip the hair. Yes, you're ready. How does this look?
Oh wow, it was so simple.
Exactly. So right now I've added very few extensions. You can add even more depending on the volume of your hair and how much highlight effect you want. In fact, you can add on the crown part more. That way you will get even volume on your crown part as well as the highlight effect. So guys, we hope that you found this idea of getting highlights in your hair useful without using any harmful chemical products in your hair.
Yeah, that was very simple to use also.
So do try these hair highlights in your hair and let us know your feedback on it.
But where can we buy these?
So actually I bought these highlights I think more than a year ago, and that time good human hair highlights were sadly not available in India. So I had to order it from an international website and I got it delivered to India. So it costed me a lot, somewhere between 6,000 to 7,000 for one set of highlights. But the good news is that now these highlights are available in India online on various websites, and we have selected a few good human hair highlights for you, and we've given the links below in the comment section. So you can click on those links, check out the highlights and order whichever color, whatever length you want for your hair.
So if you have liked this video, please do share it with your friends. Shall we go for swimming now?
No, I cannot go for swimming.
Why is that so?
Because ever since I've returned from Ladakh, my skin has got really tanned and I don't want to get it more tan now.
Okay, so you don't have to worry about it.
Why?
I've got some tips which will help you to detan the skin, and those are actually the natural way of detanning.
Okay, nice. So what we can do is, in our next video, we can share those tips with these guys as well.
Sure.
Yeah, so guys, if you want to know about those tips, do subscribe to our channel so that you can be notified when we release that video. Till then, ta, see you guys next time. Start हो गया ना?
हाँ, चलो.
तो अब ये जार को रख दें, पीते थोड़ी रहेंगे.